In this video, I will show you how to change primary domain on Bluehost. In order to do that, head over here to this bluehost.com and we have in here our hosting. So for example, for this one, click on this view plans option and you can see in here the plan that you can choose. For this, I'll just choose the basic and then we can see in here the web hosting. So for this one, you can use a domain that you already own if you want to use it as your primary domain. You can just enter your domain name here and I've using this right here. I'll just remove the .com since we already have this .com right here. Just click on this use this domain name. Now in here it will show if it's a valid extension. And if you want you can head over and then just use in here the domain instead of subdomain and click on this use this domain option. Once you have done that, it will show you to the checkout page of this Bluehost. And then from in there, you can just head over and then purchase this hosting with the new primary domain that you have just added.